Bubba, say happy Halloween.
Wah.
Say trick or treat.
Tree.
Smell my feet.
Tree.
Ooh, Bubba's.
Tree.
Are you gonna be a bee? A little baby bee? Uh-huh.
Wah.
Where's which? Show me.
There.
There.
Huh?
That's which. Scary.
Huh?
She's scary? Where's Spider?
There.
Up there? That's Spider. Where's your pumpkin?
There.
There it is.
Okay, Mama. Ow! Ow!
What happened?
There's a prick.
Lillian, can you show me your pumpkin? That one you made with the hard eyes? I like those hearts. I know you made them. You're a good heart drawer.
Yeah.
Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Okay.
Trick or treat. Smell all my feet.
Smell all your feet.
No.
All right, let's go.